Hey you guys, what is up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thanks so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring your bell. I can't ring it, the dog's asleep. And I will support you back. If this is not your first time, then hey you guys, what's up? How's everybody doing today? It's going to be a really quick little video. This is going to be my ear fleek for October of 2019. So I opened it this way, but I have not looked inside. So I'm super excited. No earrings this morning. So here we go. If you don't know about ear fleek, this is a $3.49 a month earring subscription. They have 3 different levels, and now they have like this extra thing that you can do. Either way, you go to earfleek.com and you can choose whichever subscription you like. Fun and flirty, boho chic, and minimalist but groovy, and they're $3.49 a month for those 3 tiers. Then they have another tier now, and I don't know much about it, but I think it's like $9, and I think you get more than 1 pair, but you'd have to go on the website and look. So I'm going to just open mine right now. It comes in this cute little envelope every month. It's so cute. Okay, so every month it says, hey girl. It just tells you can share and get a free year if you share. So yeah, they come in really nicely bubble wrapped, and then ooh, these are really cute. So they come in these plastic, really secure plastic zip baggies. So I'm gonna open these. Ooh, oh my gosh, these are adorable. And I love ear fleek because they always put their hooks together like this, or the post with this little piece of rubber so that it doesn't get bent in shipping. So here are my earrings. They are silver, like these little silver spirals. These are right up my alley. I love these little earrings. Oh my gosh, those are super cute. Are those not cute? Oh my goodness, I love these. You guys, I think I've gotten this subscription like, I think this is my 4th one, and all 4 of the earrings, all 4 pair of earrings that I've gotten, I've absolutely loved. So this is definitely a subscription that is worth $3.49. There are these silver like spiral hoops. They actually they're at an angle, I think, so that they will face forwards, because the way that see how they kind of aren't come outwards right here. I think that is so that they will face forward. See, they're kind of shaped like this. Let's see if I can get it to work. Yeah, see, so you can kind of see the shape of them here. So they're kind of leaned forward. See where the hook is on my hand? So they're not exactly even. So I think they do that so the weight of them will make them face forwards, which I think is really cool. I have a couple of other pair of earrings like that. So yes, these are super cute. I love these. These are some really cute, just everyday earrings that I would totally wear. So you will see these again. So anyways, I love this month. Once again, another successful ear fleek month. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I always leave my link down there so you guys can check it out. What do you guys think of these earrings? Are they cute? Do you like them? Would you wear these? They're kind of groovy though, right? I like them. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you like the video, thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring the bell, and I will support you back as always. You guys know I will not argue with you about anything, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.